This is the Maymoy Tempura Paint Sticks with 36 colors. I purchased this set because I wanted to have a variety of colors, including the pastels that are included in the set. There's also some highlighter colors, I guess they're fluorescents, and some metallic colors, a little bit metallic, along with some dark colors and some other colors. Like this one looks like it's a gold. So I used this for Christmas ornaments that I had my kids help me make so we could send it to the grandparents. The backgrounds here were all done with these colors. So we took, this one would be that one. I think this dark one was this one, and this green one was that one. Let me just show you how they work. This one wasn't used yet. So you just squeeze it up a little bit. So this is a close-up. It goes on really smoothly. It's easy to cover a large surface area with these, which I really like for these ornaments. It's pretty flat. It just keeps going on flat. Sometimes there's a little bit of extra paint, but all you need to do is just smooth it out. So it's glistening just a little bit, and that means it's wet. So you just have to wait like a minute or two, a few minutes, I'd wait, and it will dry. So as you can see, this is completely dry to the touch. We did this yesterday, and everything looks really nice. You don't need to finish it, you can just hang it up. I really like this set.